Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time, but I'm going to start being consistent. So jumping right in, this video is going to be quick and straight to the point on how I shampoo my hair with this new tool I've been using, and also what I use to deep condition overnight when my hair is super dry. I alternate between different products, especially shampoos and conditioners. So the shampoo I use today is from Dad, and it's very gentle and soft on my hair, which I appreciate. After I apply shampoo, I go in with this Groove Scalp Massager from Vanity to simulate blood flow, which helps with hair growth. I do use my fingertips a lot to massage my scalp, but this scalp massager is way better than my little fingers. As you can see, it has a little button to make it vibrate, so it really gives you a good scalp massage. You can use it in many different ways, whether it's on dry or wet hair with shampoo or conditioner, or simply just alone. The link to the scalp massager will be down below in the description box, and don't forget to use my code LYN50 to get 50% off. As you can see, I'm just moving it around my scalp to get a good massage everywhere. You can actually do this in the shower. Just step aside and just do your thing with the scalp massager, but just for the sake of this video, I wanted to show you guys, so I did it outside the shower. Definitely love a good scalp massage. I can be doing this for hours. It is bomb. After I rinsed the shampoo off, I went and detangled my hair with this conditioner from Bodyworks Essentials. It is really good, and since my hair has been super dry because it's winter and I have not deep conditioned my hair in months, I'm going to apply this mask from DevaCurl, Melt into Moisture, to really provide my hair with the moisture it needs and let it sit overnight. You can actually apply this mask on wet or dry hair. I just decided to let my hair dry and then apply it. I do not know why, but anyways, that is it for this video. I know this video was quick, but I really like short and straight to the point videos, so that's what I'm going to do from now on, or at least try. And since I'm going to be more consistent, I will see you guys in my next video. Love y'all.